Hey, how you doing, folks? Today I'm going to show you how to make the Italian dessert called Panna Cotta. What it means is basically a cooked cream, and it's basically what it is cooked heavy cream with some gelatin, and we'll use a raspberry sauce, but you could also use a caramel sauce. But I chose the raspberry sauce today, so let's get started. Okay, so what I have 500 milliliters of heavy cream, which is the equivalent of 2 cups. 80 grams of sugar, that's like half a cup of sugar. 2 sheets of gelatin in cold water. And I have some vanilla extract. Okay, so first thing we're gonna heat up this thing right here. Pour my heavy cream. You don't want to bring it to a boil, okay? I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go. Okay. It's going to heat up pretty fast. I'm going to add my sugar, 80 grams or half a cup. I'm going to make sure that sugar is well incorporated, not to boil the heavy cream. You want to keep it right before it boils. In the meanwhile, while this is heating up, I'm going to get my gelatin out of the cold water. This is going to go in my mixer. It's not completely softened yet. Keep stirring, you don't want it to stick on the bottom. Adding my gelatin. Make sure that this is completely melt in. I'm going to give you a close up so that way you can see what I'm doing. Okay. And the gelatin is almost melted. I'm going to get my ramekin ready. Okay, now that it's completely melted, and it's not even, remember we don't want it to boil, but it's the sugar's melted, the gelatin is melted, so that's good. It's perfect. Non, I don't even know what it is. C'est cibi qui vend ça.